Well, how's it going? Is it getting any better? We're on problem number 3 now, so I hope we're kind of getting an idea how this is played. This is kind of confusing. Well, it's a good thing. This is high school. It's pretty advanced stuff. Um, in this problem, I need A, B, and C to flip upside down. And I need A and B to trade places. Now you're tempted to do a reflection on the x-axis. But if I do a reflection on the x-axis, will A and B trade places? Now this is a hard one to do. I'm going to doodle it on a paper. Okay, so if I did a reflection, and I'm going to doodle this A, B, and C, and I reflected it on the y-axis, my shape is going to look like this. Okay, so A is going to come all the way down to the bottom, C is going to be over here, and B is going to be over here. Okay, and that's what you're tempted to do. Okay, but when you do a reflection, these I get the C back on top. Like I need C on top. I got C on top, but B's in the wrong place. Now I could do another reflection, and that would help, but that makes it 3 steps, and I'm trying to do this in 2. So let me draw it again. And again, we teachers, we've been doing this so long, we look at this and we know the answer. So it's so hard for us to be good teachers. See, now C is down here, A is right here, and B is right there. The origin is somewhere over here. Okay? I'm going to draw a horizontal line this time to represent the x-axis. Now, what happens if I rotated this all the way around 180 degrees? Is that the orientation I want? With C on top and A on the left and B on the right? That's what I want. That's the orientation I want. So how far did I rotate that? I rotated that from pointing to the right. That's 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. And this is 180 degrees. Okay, so let's do the numbers. 180-degree rotation is just changing the sign. Okay, it's just changing the sign. So let's get A, B, and C. Okay, and A is at 5, 8, and B is at 3, 7, and C is at 4, 3. Okay. Now all I gotta do is change everything from positive to negative. I can just go as fast as my pen can go. All right, just changing, changing, changing. If it was negative, I'd make it positive. But these are like Mr. Hutchings. All of these values are positive, like me. Okay? All right, now I'm going to grab a picture of that so we can have those numbers. There we go. Okay, now I've got them up here. And let's draw that. Okay, so let me get a highlighter. Where is A prime? -5, -8. Wow, that's way down here. Ooh, okay. You're in my way. Let's go with B prime. It's at -3, -7. Boom. And last one, C prime. Set -4, -3. Boom. Okay, now let's draw it. And I'm going to draw it. Okay. Now, you have to draw it and label it. So, let's see here. Where is A prime? A prime is over here. And C, capital. It's a point. Oh, I'm embarrassed. Okay, now the one up here is C prime. And over here was B prime. Oh, I'm so happy about this. This is going to be easy now. Now the orientation is right. Let's move this over here. I don't have anything in the fourth quadrant, so I can do that. Okay, now what do I got to do? I need to move, let's see, let's look at A. How far does A need to move? Okay, it needs to move over here, and then it needs to move up. Okay, so this is the X, and left is minus 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Y, and up is plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up 10. Okay, so now we can actually, we did everything backwards. The first thing we did was 180 degree rotation. And what's the rule for 180 degree rotation? Negative X, negative Y. Okay, next thing we did was a translation. Now I'm going to put numbers in here. 4 left, 10 up. Okay, and that's going to be X minus 4 to move it 4 to the left, and Y plus 10 to move it 10 up. All right, we got number 3 done. Okay, how about that? Okay, this is pretty tough stuff. You need to ask questions if you're not understanding it, and I hope you do. And I hope we all get A's on that next test, huh? As we want. Okay, enough of my talking. That's number 3.